Welcome back, and thank you for staying with us, and hope you've had an opportunity to perhaps get a little bit more familiar with the Language of Recovery book and do some reading in there. What I want to introduce you to now is something that is very powerful in helping those that struggle with this addiction, and it's called the concept of the two-part brain. So if you can take a couple of minutes and watch the video that is to the side here, it will introduce you to why an individual who struggles with this addiction feels like there's two parts to them. There's a part that wants to stop desperately, but there's this other part that's very, very subtle and very, very tricky that wants to keep acting out the way that has caused all the problems in the first place. But understanding the nature of the two-part brain is critical to laying the foundation of ongoing recovery. So take a couple of minutes and watch the video, and encourage you also to continue reading in the Language of Recovery.